We're gonna make a pizza fatty today. Well, I'm gonna make a pizza fatty.
I'm gonna eat it.
She's walking in to do a little taste testing. Hey, stay with us. It's gonna be awesome. I've got 7 pieces of bacon here laid out on a piece of wax paper. I know you guys have seen this a million times. We're just going to make a weave, right? Alternate every other piece till we get the whole thing put together. And then you want to alternate also. You know how the bacon has the thick end, the thin end. I put the thick end there. Now you want to come back and put the thick end down on this side. It'll just give it more uniformity. All right. I'll be right back as soon as we get this bacon we've put together. What we got here is a pound of Angus burger on the left, thanks to Fortnum Ridge Farms. And I got a pound of Italian sausage here on my right. And all we want to do is mix this in together. And you know what? I almost forgot the seasoning. What I've got here, thyme, rosemary, and oregano, 2 teaspoons of minced garlic. And I'll put the exact ingredients down below. Now let's get it mixed up. Yeah, we got our ground beef and our sausage all mixed up. Let's get that bacon weave back over here. We'll just spread this around. Just got a little pizza sauce here. Just gonna pour some out. Make sure we get our mixture all covered. This is where it gets fun, right? I've got some thinly sliced onions, followed by some sliced green bell peppers. And next, we've got some chopped baby Portabella mushrooms. Here I've got Canadian bacon. Canadian bacon with American bacon. Now, like usual, I'm probably putting too much. Here I have freshly chopped basil. It's going to be delicious. I don't want to waste any of it. I'll just sprinkle it around. And the last thing we have here, mozzarella cheese made with whole milk. Don't use that skinny stuff. You just know it's not going to roll up. I'm going to put too much on here. I just don't care. There we go. Now, the beauty of that wax paper. Okay, maybe the beauty of it. Looks like it's tearing on me. That's never a good sign. The last thing I'm going to do is come in here, season this guy with a little Armadillo pepper barbecue rub, just on the outside. Use your favorite barbecue rub. If you want to know more about this one, I'll put a link. I think it's over here, maybe. Now let's get this bad boy over to the Pit Boss. Put this bad boy on back so like so. Then I want to get a temp probe into this guy. Just run him right down in the middle. Get the lid down on it. We'll check on it in an hour, maybe an hour and a half. It's going to take a while. Hey, it's been 2 hours. We're up to 159. Look at that beauty. Now look, what I got here. 50-50 mix. That pizza sauce, olive oil, and I put 4 teaspoons of this harissa sauce in there. If you don't know what harissa sauce is, it's delicious. Gives a little spice. Now what we're going to do is just cover this delicious looking. Now we want to bring this guy up 7 degrees more to 165. All right, there's our sauce. Now we're going to come in here with some of that same mozzarella cheese. Hey, it is a pizza fatty. We're going to let it melt all down on top of it. It's going to be awesome. Then I'm going to come in here on top of that cheese with some candied jalapenos. It's going to be the best pizza fatty ever. And now we're going to get the lid back down on it. We're going to let it come on up to 165. I don't know, 10, 20 minutes. And we'll be ready. Hour and 45 minutes. We're up to 162. It'll come up 3 degrees. We want 165. Oh, look at that goodness. I'm telling you, this is going to be awesome. Let's get it off here and give it a try. Oh, we got to get that temp probe out. Almost lost that. We got our pizza fatty here. It's been resting, I don't know, 10, 15 minutes. Let's cut a couple of pieces off. Let's have a look together. Oh, look at that. You see the cheese and everything? Let's get slice of this. We got the cheese, we got the jalapeno, Canadian bacon, all that other goodness. Sorry. Let's give it a try. Oh! Oh!
Oh, wow. That is so good. That's really good. Oh, that's super delicious. I have to use my fingers. Okay, so the candied jalapenos are like the perfect touch. And the bacon, so good. But you can taste the sausage, which is like heavenly. This is so freaking delicious. I'm in love.